Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Bulletproof Traders in the house with our crypto market watch list today. We're going to go over 5 interesting assets. First, let's go right ahead and check out that list, and then we'll go to the chart and I'm going to analyze those interesting cases. So we're talking about crypto market watch list. I want to show you that list. Here it is, updated for today, the 28th of May. So we have the Litecoin that is breaking down right now. Let's take a quick look at that. Litecoin, the trigger level was 72. I want to show you what's happening here. The trigger level 97.12, sorry. With 100 capping it, right? 168 capping it, and then the trigger was 97.12, got broken last week. So the downside potential now is open long term to 72.12 and even 57.71. That's how the monthly chart looks like. There's that rejection right here, and I see a downside reversal all the way to 57.71 and potentially even beyond. All right, let's check our second one on the list. Is Stellar, also breaking down. We're talking about the level is 28.40. Let's quickly review that. Right here, Stellar, check it out. I'm going to zoom in. This is the breakdown. This is the 28. Here's the 28.40, right? And here's the breakdown. Check it out. Take a look at the close here, guys. Close of the weekly bar, that is. After, mind you, trying to slice through right off the bat, it was actually coming up. Got heavily rejected and closed at 28.27. So we've been triggered here, right? That's why we have that short position, targeting 24.40 and 23.20. All right. So those are the two that broke down. Now, and this is fresh, right? So I'm still keeping them on the list, but they're going to be gone from that list next week. We do have 3 pending. That's what I'm more interested about right now. Let's take a look at those 3 pending. We're talking about Binance with 60.78.13 trigger. Check it out. That is it. So this is the 67.8. Right? I think it's going to get broken. Price action pulling back. We'll have to see. We already seen price action trying to crack that level. So once it starts to settle down below, that's going to be the trigger. We're already in position, but here, this short position is short-term type of trading opportunity. What I'm talking about here is long-term. So a fail below 678 could trigger a downside reversal all the way to 610 and even 535 and potentially even 475. I see a lot of downside potential here with the Binance. Next on the list, Bitcoin Cash with 383.62. 383.62. Let's check that out. Oh, here it is. So this is a short position that we have right now, short term. What I'm talking about again is the long term. This is the level 383.62, this blue one. This is the big one. You can see what the effect it had last time price action was visiting. So I'm going to take it to the weekly chart because here I can see a downside reversal because price action made it all the way to the last line of resistance, right? 454.74. Nice touchdown, pulled back aggressively. And now, if there's going to be a downside reversal and then price action breaking 378 here, sorry, 383.62, right? Then that will trigger a move all the way down to 304, which is the final destination and primary target in case we're going to be triggered into position here. Last but not least, probably the Chainlink. Yes, Chainlink. So Chainlink here, it's 15. That's the trigger, 15. Let's take a look at that. Again, also, this is a pending situation. Check this out. So it's actually 14,999, right? I'm calling it 15, but it got rejected. I mean, price action got rejected last time it was trying to drill through. But since it came off the top, it couldn't break above the big key resistance 1695 on its way up, a couple of weeks ago. And then the turnaround, so it's kind of taking a break a little bit, I guess, taking a breather. But I think it can start smashing that area soon, and then that's going to trigger us into position, where we're going to be targeting 1281 and maybe even 1153 right here. So yeah, we got interesting looking pending opportunities in our list, and that's pretty much it, guys. Just keep your eyes peeled, and I'll come back to this later to follow up and keep you posted. That's about that for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Take care.